VCC, Auburn.
आपकी फ्लाइट कब है?
Now it's a bit bigger. April 22 to September 1st. So May, June, July, August, 4 months. Definitely, maybe 4 months and 1 week.
Muchas gracias, chicos. Ha sido muchas gracias, chicos. Ha sido 2 o 3 días espectaculares por teneros aquí jugando contra Rumania y Portugal. Hemos tenido ECI de sueños. Hemos sido, por no decir perfecto, pues casi perfecto, porque siempre falta algo, ¿no? Pero veo que no ha habido nada que podamos quejar. Hemos disfrutado con vuestro juego, vuestros partidos y con la selección española. Ahora voy a pasar la palabra a Jaime González, que quiere hablar sobre vuestro éxito y sobre el trofeo, que tenemos una sorpresa y un mensaje del presidente Juan Carlos. Ha estado viendo durante 2 o 3 días que hemos jugado, bola por bola, partido por partido, y paso palabra a Jaime, que os pase el mensaje de Juan y la sorpresa que tiene guardada. Ni siquiera me ha dicho a mí los secretos que tiene guardado. Lo quiere anunciar. Paso palabra a Jaime González. Por favor, Jaime González.
Well, I'll change into English just so that Mr. ذوالقرنین, thanks to whom we are tonight here, can understand what I'm going to say. The surprise or not surprise, and the words coming from our president will be said by John, who obviously wants to tell you something as CEO of Cricket España. If we are here tonight, it's thanks to this gentleman, Mr. ذوالقرنین. He came to Kartama during the ECL tournament, invited by Imran. He went there. He started to watch what an ECL tournament was about, and he was absolutely over the moon. He was really impressed. And Imran introduced it to me, to John. We spoke to him. We saw from the beginning that he had a good heart, that he was only thinking on the sport, on cricket. And he said, yes, please, bring this to Barcelona, bring internationals to Barcelona. I want this show in Barcelona. We said, we are the sort of people that we never promise things, but we work hard for things to happen, obviously not on our own, but because we have behind a fantastic president and fantastic partners, which are ECN, European Cricket Network, thanks to which that tournament happened, and the ECC and new ones coming, like this one, the new format, the ECI, for the first time in Spain. But in a way, you asked for internationals in Barcelona. ECN and Agrupación Cricket España has made that possible, that an international could be hosted for the first time in Barcelona, in Montjuïc, the ECI. As you know, as from tomorrow, there's another tournament starting, the regional one, with a little bit of difficulty, but I'm sure we will sort that out as well. And from the 17th of December until the 22nd of December, there will be the first ever European cricket tournament for women in Cártama in Malaga with our Spanish national team. So, Mr. ذوالقرنین, our only way to give our deepest thanks, right, is to think that as from we met in February this year, in a sense, we're going to work together, not only our next 5 years, because this is the strategic plan that Cricket España has produced to try to make cricket grow in all aspects in Spain, umpires, juniors, women, etc. Right? So we give you this as a little gift in comparison to this huge and delicious dinner, right? With the hope that we will work together, not only with you, but also with the nice people you have around, the Pakistani community that we would love to see for the finals of the ECS that day. Maybe go to Montjuic all together with those fantastic drums and enjoy, because at the end of the day, cricket is about, and sport is about enjoy, and leave other matters for politicians. So please accept this small gift from Cricket España. So, no, it's okay. So anytime you have time in your busy days, just have a look. It's in English, obviously, so that you can understand. And thanks again for everything and for this delicious dinner, which obviously he's inviting everyone tonight. Apart from having been the person that during these days have been bringing the catering and midday, the lunch. Okay, thank you again. Thank you.
Otra de las cosas más importantes, porque vosotros solo veis las cosas, ver un partido desde la televisión, desde fuera, venir a jugar es importante, pero preparación ha sido muy dura y muy trabajadora. Si aquí no nombro a señor Robert, si el señor Robert nada será posible, no ha podido ser posible. Bueno, el otro anuncio importante, voy a pasar a la palabra al señor John, y que va a anunciar sobre este precioso trofeo. A ver, tiene guardada otra sorpresa, porque ya se lo metió en su mochila. El John dijo, devuélveme. Quiero darte una sorpresa frente del todo. El paso palabra a John. John, tell about this trophy and announce your secret, please.
I think you've just announced it. But thank you, everyone.
Please.
Everybody knows that we love you guys. Everyone here on this table, we emotionally, you just do everything for us. You make solid sacrifices all the time, and we're trying our best to give you something in return. One thing that we want to do tonight is give this trophy to someone who has represented Spain with so much passion and so much strength and just everything over the last 10 years, maybe more, okay? He's not only the top scorer, top batsman, top wicket taker, he's also been the captain for this triumphant series. So on behalf of Cricket España, Yasir, we'd like to give you this trophy as a thank you to you and all the Pakistan community for everything that you've done for Cricket España. Your second speech. It's heavy? Yes, yeah. Fantastic.
هذيك تزويد هذا.
Thank you to management to giving me opportunity for cricket Spain captaincy. Thank you to Kore and all of management. We are very happy to win this series. Thank you very much.
Last but not least, I'd like to thank our coaches. We've come such a long way since we've had Corey and Alistair as our coaches. Alistair's going to Australia for a while. We want you to come back stronger and fitter if that's possible, and keep on doing what you're doing. And Corey, keep challenges every day to make us a better team. Okay?
Thank you, John. Aquí el parte más importante era del umpires. Habíamos tenido muchas dificultades, pero nada más que poner contacto con Adnan Khan, todo ha sido muy fácil. Muchas gracias, señor Adnan. Y hay un servicio, hay una parte de organización que es digitalmente no podemos llevar a todo el mundo, es difícil de llevar, pero Nadim siempre nos ha ayudado en este sentido. Muchas gracias. Aquí hablamos de otra persona muy importante, de poder organizar y todo el tiempo. Sen Babar no era posible. Muchas gracias, señor, por venir aquí. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
From Portugal.
And nuestra parte se ha acabado. Muchas gracias de nuevo a todos. Y muchas gracias, señor Dr.Qamar, porque siempre ha sido con nosotros, ha sido grabando, poniendo vídeos a medios sociales. Ahora acaban de venir dos señores muy respetados para mí y para Cricket España, por toda Europa, señor Amir Said y Xavi, bienvenidos. Aquí lo quería agradecer. La comida deliciosa que estáis comiendo cada día, sin el Amjad no será posible. Muchas gracias. Se encarga de la comida de todos los jugadores y los oficiales, y van a disfrutar durante 3 semanas que vienen. Muchas gracias, señora. Y con algo muy importante, es una cosa muy importante, que el señor Dar tiene por lo menos un montón de sobrinos que ni siquiera me acuerdo los nombres, pero todos juegan el cricket. Hamza Dar, uno de ellos, y Mustafa Gar, es otro. I just want to invite Mr. Kore for quick words, please. Lo digo en español, la mayoría de la audiencia es español. Kore, desde que ha cogido el cargo de la selección española, ha sido una persona muy respetada, muy trabajadora, junto con el Esther, junto con todo el equipo. Yo creo que hemos tenido gran suerte de tenerle aquí. Y que se lleve, como dicen, ¿no? Hay un jefe de los jefes, pues uno de los gran jefes que hable un poco sobre lo que quiera decir.
It sounded just in general. Okay, I think I think well, obviously management, John, Hame, Juan, Imran, everyone that's putting behind the scenes to Cricket Spain, I can't thank you enough. But for me tonight, I actually want to say to my players mostly, I know you guys have been, especially in the Barcelona region, have had tricky years. I can't thank you enough from the bottom of my heart that you are wearing the Spanish shirt with pride. You rock up on time, you're smiling, and you made big decisions this year. Everyone in this room sacrificed a lot to be here. So for me, to the players, you've actually saved Cricket Spain in a big way, and you've shown where you guys want to go as a country. And that's why me and Alistair will always bleed for you boys. So to my players, thank you so much. And obviously, to the management and everyone else, umpires and all the officials, it's a community effort. We're still a small country in the cricket world, but we are going on the right direction. So I look forward to the next few years. Cheers. Thank you, guys.
Without a Leicester, nothing is complete. So, big man, please come here. No, just a few words. Leicester, please come on. Yeah. Así ha hecho su equipo fuerte. Es la persona que preocupa por una cosa mínima que sea. Se cuida a sus jugadores, se contacta con ellos. Aunque no estén jugando con la selección española, le pone el mensaje, le pregunta cómo estáis, cómo le va la vida, qué es lo que tenéis que comer, cómo lo tenéis que hacer la vida, cómo es la dieta, cómo es su vida. Es el padre de todos los padres, señor Leicester.
Amy and John for doing all the work behind the scenes. Imran working so hard here in the shadows and now at the front of the table. The players as well. I know you guys are sacrificing a lot of time doing all your work and everything, and now cricket is your passion as fitness is my passion. I hope we can continue to work stronger together and move forward and make Barcelona and Cricket Spain the most powerful cricket team in Europe. Thanks, guys.
Jugadores que no han podido estar con nosotros tienen problemas físicos, tienen problemas personales de trabajo, lo que sea, pero muchas gracias a los que están viendo, los que no han estado con nosotros, pero agradecemos y siempre serán en nuestros corazones. Con vuestra ayuda hemos sido campeones. Un aplauso para ellos que no han estado con nosotros, pero siempre han estado. Han estado siempre con nosotros apoyando. Fue a Málaga, como ha dicho el Jaime, su colaboración, su pasión por el cricket, por el deporte, ha sido maravilloso. Y quiero dar paso la palabra al señor Zulker, que diga algunas palabras sobre lo que ha vivido, sobre lo que va a vivir, sobre lo en pasado, lo que ha tenido. Pues, señor ذوالقرنین, por favor.
Thank you. First of all, congratulations to Spain cricket. Really well done. I am really very happy you won the match because it was my dream when I visited the Malaga, in a Barcelona international cricket conducted by the Spain cricket. My dream was fulfilled. I am really very thankful, Mr. Jaime and Mr. John. I really and also thank Mr. Malik. He's also motivate me. We work together for the international cricket. I am really appreciation for Mr. Malik. He is a really man of commitment. He is a lover of the cricket. Therefore, I will stand with him, and I promise I always stand with him. I am fighting from the first day international cricket in Spain, in a Barcelona, because you are the players. You want to play excellent games. Therefore, we need all the world see you. Why not in the limited area? You go international level. You have a talent. Therefore, after a few years, I think the World Cup conducted in the Spain, inshallah, because I think the patience of Mr. John and Spain cricket is very high. They want to promote the cricket all over the Spain. Therefore, he is working day and night. And also, I wish Catalan Cricket Federation also become a part of the Spain cricket. I am trying from the first day. It's my wish, and also I am trying in a near future, after a few days, few months, inshallah, Catalan Cricket Federation will also be part of the Spain, inshallah. Thank you.
Ha salido el tema de Federación Catalana de Cricket. Agradecimiento a todo lo que han trabajado los expresidentes como Amir Said, como otros, tantos años que han estado trabajando para que Kirkuk llegue a un alto nivel. Muchísimas gracias por sus servicios. Nunca de mi parte o de parte de Kirkuk de España han negado esos servicios y es una injusticia no nombrar aquí, porque esperemos y queramos estar juntos, unidos en los próximos días o próximos meses cuando haga falta y cuando Dios quiera, ¿vale? Muchas gracias.